What do you want?
Nope.
How can I help you?
You're wrong.
Nope.
I think there might be a misunderstanding.
I don't care.
Nope.
It's not my main concern, but let's focus on something else.
That's stupid.
Nope.
I think there might be a better way to approach this.
You don't know anything.
Nope.
Let me explain it in a bit more detail.
Calm down.
Nope.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Why didn't you do it?
Nope.
Can you share what happened?
You're late.
Nope.
Glad you're here. Let's get started.
That's not my job.
Nope.
Let me find someone who can help with that.
I told you so.
Nope.
I was concerned this might happen. You should have known better.
Nope.
Next time, we can try a different approach.
What were you thinking?
Nope.
Can you walk me through your thought process?
I'm too busy.
Nope.
Can we schedule this for later?
That's impossible.
Nope.
That's challenging, but let's explore the option.
You're annoying.
Nope.
Let's take a moment to reset.
Stop bothering me.
Nope.
Can we discuss this later when I'm free?
I don't have time for this.
Nope.
Can we prioritize this for later?
That's your problem.
Nope.
Let's work together to find a solution.
Why are you so emotional?
Nope.
I understand this is important to you.
You don't make sense.
Nope.
Can you explain that a bit more?
That's not how we do things.
Nope.
Here's how we usually approach this.
You're not good at this.
Nope.
Let's work on improving this together.
You're wasting my time.
Nope.
Let's focus on the main points.
You're overreacting.
Nope.
Let's take a step back and look at this calmly.
That's ridiculous.
Nope.
I'm not sure I fully understand. Can you elaborate?
You never listen.
Nope.
Can I share my perspective as well?
You're selfish.
Nope.
Let's consider everyone's needs here.
That's a bad idea.
Nope.
How about we adjust this idea slightly?
You always do it wrong.
Nope.
Let's review this together to ensure it's correct.
I don't believe you.
Nope.
Can you provide more details to help me understand?